Hey, fellow old school network marketers whom you are still using the traditional old ways of doing your prospecting and getting new leads, new customers, or even signing up new members into your network marketing business teams, right? So haven't it occurred to you, or haven't you realized after some time or after so long, right? If you are the experienced network marketing leaders, that in fact majority of the prospects that you met, right, they were going to say no to your products as well as your network marketing business opportunities, isn't it? So what do I mean by majority? Basically, it seems like maybe the numbers would be conservatively, right? Probably 10 prospects you talk to, right, without filtering them. Maybe you will get one or two that say yes to your products or business opportunities, and as high as 80 or even 90% of them, right, will say no to your network marketing business products and opportunities, right? Isn't it? So ever you wonder that you have wasted 80 or even 90% of those leads because they say no to your only offer, which is your network marketing products or business opportunities, isn't it? Now, the reason why it is that because you listen to the old advice from your network marketing leaders that you should focus on just your network marketing business building and nothing else. However, why should you continue to this kind of outdated advice? So, what is the modern way, especially in the digital marketing thriving era in building your network marketing business? My suggestion for you, which I am doing that, is to think of setting up at least three or even five, income generating opportunities beside your network marketing business offers. Example, you could, gear yourself up to be a coach for network marketing business owners. So most likely you're going to ask yourself is that, how can you be qualified to be a coach? My answer to you and our confidence I'm going to give you is a definite yes. However, you wouldn't be teaching them the old school prospecting methods. Quickly get yourself to be exposed to real world business skills like attraction marketing, for example, so that when you start practicing that and applying that in your own network marketing business building, you can become now to coach those old school network marketers that are ready and open to pivot just like you from offline to online way of using digital marketing strategies and tactics, right, in acquiring new leads. Next, you can also make affiliated commissions by providing digital tools while coaching those old school network marketers when they wanted to pivot from offline to online, right? There are a lot of powerful digital tools that can be learned and set up in such a way to automate their leads generation. So I have actually given you two more additional income generating ideas beside your network marketing business opportunities as an offer to your leads. So meaning to say that in a way you have at least three income generating avenues by adopting the suggestion that I've given you earlier on. In fact, if you notice, if you set it up in such a way, right, you actually set yourself apart from the regular network marketers who only focus on their network marketing business opportunities as their only offer wherever they meet any prospects. And at the same time, right, whether you are going into the coaching business or being an affiliate marketer for the digital tools that you used, right? And with this, right, these two avenues of income generations are actually have more spin off from there. Spin off of even, in fact, how I get to learn about all these modern advanced digital marketing strategies, right? It all comes from the core of understanding about attraction marketing principles in applying that into your network marketing business. So if this is what you are looking for and seeking out to enhance your network marketing business building, right? So do join my private Facebook group, which I will leave a link in the captions or around this video, right? Go over there and get yourself, added into my private Facebook group. Or at the same time, you can comment below attraction marketing, whereby I will send you more powerful resources for you to learn about attraction marketing strategies and tactics. So I will see you on the other side.